Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to use it with a different carrier or a different network. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy A10e, and this one is originally from Cricket here in the US, which is the main prepaid brand and provider of AT&T. So they are owned by AT&T and they run on their network. And now this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because as we can see here, when we insert a SIM card that's not from Cricket, two things pop up here. We get a message down at the bottom that says that there's a new SIM card and it asks us if we want to unlock the device, and then up in the notification bar we're also going to have a message that says invalid SIM card, and then it states their network locked SIM card inserted. Now if we tap on device unlock, it just takes us to Cricket's device unlock app here. So Cricket has kind of gone the way that Metro and T-Mobile have gone, where they are no longer using unlock codes on their devices, and instead they're preloading an application onto all of their Android phones where they themselves control the whole unlock process. So we've had a lot of customers contacting us recently for help with getting this specific model device unlocked, and then also a couple others that also use the same feature. So we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this specific model unlocked, and that's actually exactly what we're going to be doing right here, right now, while the phone is plugged in, just as proof that we can actually do it. Without the proof, we always get tons of people trying to claim that, oh, we couldn't really do it, we altered the video somehow, or we unlocked the phone ourselves through our account, a whole bunch of different things. So when we prove it here, well, if you've showing you all of the steps, then people know that we can actually perform the service. So we're actually running our unlock program on the phone right now as we speak. We just have to wait a minute or two for those last steps to finish, and then after that, we should be able to see that the phone can indeed register and get service on the test SIM card that we have inserted. Now that the phone is restarted, I'm going to go back and pull up that device unlock app again. Whoops. It's actually going to restart it one more time, I think. Yep. So we'll wait for that to come back up first. And there's a Cricket logo, which indicates it is originally a Cricket model that we're dealing with here. Okay, so now that it's back up, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that device unlock message that's showing down at the bottom, and then that's going to pull up the app that Cricket has preloaded for doing these types of things. So basically just ask, it's part of the My Cricket account application, and then it just asks you if you want to actually go in and unlock it, and it talks about their unlock policy and some other things here. So if we tap on unlock, it's going to say loading, please wait. And then, like most devices, it's going to say, sorry, this device cannot be unlocked. Cricket's requirements, I think the last time I checked, were that you use the phone with them for it's either 3 months or 6 months, so either 90 days or 180 days. So a lot of customers have contacted us because they either wanted to switch to a different carrier before 3 or 6 months had passed with Cricket, or because they bought the phone from someone else who either told them that it was unlocked or told them that they could get it unlocked, but the seller wasn't honest, and then the buyer found out that they couldn't actually get the phone SIM unlocked. Now I should mention while this is running that this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. You don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order for us to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely go into your computer through the internet and do the exact same process that we're doing right here, right now. While the unlock program is finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with. So again, it's a Galaxy A10e, and then that model number there, the A10U, that's the model number of the A10e sold on all US carriers. Samsung now uses universal software and hardware pretty much for all of their devices. So when you buy a device from Cricket or from AT&T or from Sprint, it's pretty much all going to have the exact same internal hardware. And the software is also the same, just with slight customizations for the carrier. So we are just about finished up here running our unlock program. It's just going to have to restart the phone once more. And then, like I said, we should be able to see that we can then get service and register on that SIM card that we have inserted. So there goes the final step. I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and then we can unplug the phone since we are done with that for now. Okay, so it's loaded back up here, and you notice right away that instead of that device locked message up in the corner, we don't see that anymore. And there we go, my focus cooperates. So now we can see that we are indeed registered on T-Mobile. That's the SIM card that we have inserted here for testing today. So that's where the network appears up in the corner. Always tells you what network you're currently connected to. And then if my focus will cooperate again, we can see the, here, we'll just do this. We'll just swipe it away. And then we'll be able to see up top there that we have the signal bars and the LTE enabled. If my focus will go through there. And then we also notice that we don't have that SIM unlock message down there at the bottom anymore. So the phone has been fully and completely SIM unlocked and is usable now with pretty much most other carriers in the US. So if you have a Galaxy A10e originally from Cricket and need help getting it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel while you're here. We offer a lot of different services for a lot of different models, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. While you're here, also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.